NTU is the fastest rising university in the world's top 50, ranked first globally among young elite university. NTU has strength in engineering, science, business, humanities, arts and social sciences. Division of Physics and Applied Physics is a division of School of Physical and Mathematical Sciences, which belongs to the College of Science.
It's a very international place. So our researchers at the center, our students and academic staff came from various countries. They are here from Italy, Spain, Russia, China, Singapore, of course, Malaysia, India, Japan, all around the world.
We have four main areas of research which partially overlap and strengthen each other. So the first one is photonics. The second one is quantum physics and quantum information. The third one is condensed matter physics. The fourth one and finally is soft condensed matter, fluid and biophysics.
Here at the Center for Disruptive Photonic Technologies, we have nanofabrication capabilities and characterization capabilities of very high sophistication. For instance, here in the center, our research students and research fellows have hands-on experience with top-notch equipment for nanofabrication and characterization of nanostructures. This is our field of research.
My research focused on the harnessing of quantum technology for applications in the range of interferometers, so inertial measurements, and also precision measurements. Furthermore, we have projects where we try to bring two quantum systems together, so joining, in this case, an atomic quantum system with a solid-state quantum system.
My lab uses ultrafast optical spectroscopy to study strongly correlated electron systems, and the techniques that we use are optical palm probe, terahertz, time domain spectroscopy, and optical palm terahertz probe spectroscopy. We have different colleagues working on different aspects of the same problem. For example, sample growers, theorists, experimentalists. And so we work together, we attack the same problem. And by having people of different expertise all under the same roof, working on the same problem, enables us to really push the science forward really quickly.
I've been here for 4 years as an undergrad student, so I know that the school is a very close community. The professors are very approachable, and the students here are all very committed to learning science and how the world works. The school has a very international outlook, so you always get to meet people who come from a very wide range of backgrounds, and there's always something for you to learn and do in NTU.
For the past 5 years and plus, we have been doing optical spectroscopy, studies of semiconductor nanomaterials and plasmonic structures. So one of the most exciting and also unexpected discovery we did is on the laser cooling of semiconductors. So this was the first discovery of such materials that can be cooled down by a laser beam.
We're doing here fluid dynamics research on the very small scales, from micrometers down to nanoscales, and on the time scales from microseconds even to nanoseconds. So in this very particular range, we observe very interesting fluid mechanics, even the formation of light out of fluid motion. We are a young community, the school is young, we have young, highly motivated colleagues working in these areas, and all are eager actually to strive for the very best. Besides, we have a fantastic funding situation, and we can do what we want without limits.
So what brought me to the Division of Physics and Applied Physics was my interest in the collaborative research going on here. So in our lab group, we have a combination of biologists and chemists and physicists all working together to solve problems from different approaches. As far as doing science, NTU has amazing facilities and has attracted a lot of great scientists from all over the world. It's also an incredibly culturally diverse place. So in our laboratory alone, we have people from over 12 different countries. And this facilitates an exchange of culture as well as an exchange of different ways of doing science. So NTU is an amazing campus, great student body, and wonderful opportunities for research. It's also situated in Singapore, which is in the heart of Southeast Asia and one of the fastest growing regions of the world.
Physics and Applied Physics at NTU is a young, dynamic, and fast-rising department of physics. If you are a young scientist with passion in physics, I invite you to join us on a journey to make exciting discoveries.